Hello and welcome back to Great Lakes Silver Stacking YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the 2021 silver piece dollar that was available from the US Mint back in, I want to say May through August. I don't remember specifically what date this was, but they finally shipped out. They were supposed to ship out beginning to middle of October, and I think the piece dollars were the ones that were a little bit behind. I haven't opened it yet. I've just cut open the sides and I've taken off the address label for obvious reasons. But this is my favorite coin offered by the US Mint. As I open this box terribly so that way you guys don't see the packing slip with my information on it. I have heard that there has been some issues with the packaging from the US Mint. So I guess we will see how these are all packaged. They're all together, so it doesn't look like we have any slid out boxes or anything like that, which is nice. I purchased every single Morgan, the CC, the O, the S mint mark, the D mint mark, and then the regular no mint mark P Morgan. However, I have either flipped those or I'm currently trying to flip those on eBay just so I can roll that profit into more bullion grade coins. So here's what the coin box looks like. There's the front. 21XH is the product code. Black on black. Don't really care for the box that much. This is why we're here. Here's the certificate of authenticity. It's got a nice shine to it. Nice COA. Was kind of disappointed that it wasn't a full troy ounce, but it is what it is. And then here's the actual coin. Absolutely beautiful looking coin. I really like that a lot. See if I can get it with the sheen. And then the obverse or reverse. Beautiful. And it looks like too, for the most part, this one was struck pretty on center. I know, again, the Mint has been having a lot of issues this year with quality concerns, and it looks like this one was struck on center, and there's not really any bubbling of the capsule. So I think this one is good. Just looking at it through the camera, I don't see any imperfections. I don't work for any of the grading companies or anything though, so I wouldn't be able to tell you what this would grade as. But there's the first one. Let's put this guy over here. Let's see how the other two stack up. So we'll do this one next. Again, COA. Oh, as you can see, this one has popped out of the capsule a little bit. So let me carefully, yeah. As you can see, clearly it's out of the capsule. The capsule's not fitting all that right. This one looks like it was slightly struck off center. The ridge is really thin up top and a lot more thick at the bottom. So this one was maybe slightly off center. However, the capsule was open when I opened it up. So there's that guy. And let's see the third one. And I think that's why they wrapped them in paper, to try to prevent them from getting moved around too much in packaging, or shipping, I should say. And this COA is really stuck in there. Gotta pop that out. There's that one. This one looks like this one is in the capsule completely as well. So 2 out of the 3 came in pretty perfect shape, I'd say, or close to perfect. I don't know if this one is slightly struck off center as well. I mean, if it is, it's barely. But very, very happy with this design. I love the peace dollar. Maybe I'll get this graded, I don't know. Although I did just open the package to do this unboxing, so I don't know if it'll qualify for certain things. I'll have to check with the NGC website. But awesome, awesome coin. Let me know in the comments if you purchased this, if you received it yet. If you want to follow along with the stacking of the channel, please consider subscribing, and do me a huge favor and check out the affiliate links in the description below, because it does help the channel grow. Like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.